and today we will execute the ordinary cleaning on Anita. In this kit you have 40 bags detergent and this rubber blind filter. Place the 2 dose filter in the filter holder and the rubber blind filter, and pour the content of a single dose bag detergent inside in the filter. Lock the filter holder into the brewing group. Start the delivery and dispense water for 10 seconds. Okay. Stop the delivery and wait for 10 seconds. Start the delivery and dispense water from 10 seconds. Stop the delivery and wait for 10 seconds. Repeat these steps 10 times. Remove the filter holder and start the delivery to clean the filter holder. Hook the filter holder into the brewing group and dispense again 5 times. Without detergent powder. Remove the filter holder, remove the rubber blind filter, remove the drip tray, rinse the filter holder, the blind filter and the drip tray with plenty of fresh tap water. Now I will show you how to clean the filter and the filter holder. Also for this operation we have to use this cleaning kit. Remove the filter from the filter holder. Okay, and fill the container with hot water up to the filter holder metal part. Do not immerse this part because you can damage the plastic. I need 2 boxes. Wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the filter holder and fill out the hot water and remove the filter. Take out the hot water and remove the filters. Rinse with hot water. Make this in 2 steps to do not overheat the pan. Second step. Now rinse all with tap water. Now all is cleaned. I have to reinstall the filter in the filter holder. Follow the instruction behind the detergent for more information. Thank you for watching.